Hello students, how are you all? I hope you are fit and fine at your home. Students, today we shall study Geography subject class 6, and here we are going to study the exercises given on the page number 59 of lesson 9 Energy Resources. Okay students, first of all I would like to say thanks to my subscribers, students, those who have liked it, shared it, commented below the video. Students, be connect with me for more such educational videos. Students, so without wasting time, let's get started with the questions and answers. Question 1. What resources will have to be used for the following work? 1. Rohan wants to fly a kite. The answer is wind. 2. People in an Adivasi hamlet have to be protected from the cold. The answer is wood. 3. Cooking on a picnic. The answer is wood, coal, etc. 4th, Salma wants to iron her clothes. The answer is electricity, coal. 5. Starting a railway engine. The answer is electricity, coal. 6. Heating water for a bath. The answer is wood, biogas, or you can use electricity too. 7. After sunset, making light available inside the house. The answer is electricity, kerosene, etc. Now, students, question B, answer the following questions. First, which energy sources does man use the most? Why? The answer is man uses coal the most because it's available everywhere easily. 2. Why are energy resources needed? The answer is the energy resources are needed to fulfill our needs. Energy resources are needed for cooking food, heating water, driving vehicles and machines, for transportation, etc. 3. Why do we need to use environment friendly energy resources? The answer is we need to use environment friendly energy resources because to protect the environment from being imbalanced it should not lead to pollution. Therefore, to maintain the balance in the environment, we need to use eco-friendly energy. Question C. Explain the differences using the points in the brackets. Availability, environmental friendliness, advantages and drawbacks or disadvantages. 1. Mineral oil and solar energy. 2. Hydel power and power from geothermal sources. Now, the first one, that is mineral oil and solar energy. Availability. The availability of mineral oil is limited. The availability of solar energy is unlimited. Second, environment friendliness. The use of mineral oil is not environmental friendliness. The use of solar energy is environmental friendly. Third, advantages and disadvantages. The use of mineral oil leads to pollution. The use of solar energy is pollution free. Now the second one, that is hydel power and power from geothermal sources. 1. Availability. The availability of hydel power is comparatively limited. Now the second, the availability of power from the geothermal sources less environmental friendly. Second, environmental friendliness. Hydel power is comparatively environmental friendly. Power from geothermal sources is comparatively less environmental friendly. Third, Advantages and disadvantages. The cost of power generation using hydel power is comparatively low. The cost of power generation using power thermal, geothermal sources is comparatively high. Next question, that is D. Answer in brief. 1. What kind of energy is produced with the help of the devices shown in the photograph? Students, watch the photo and answer the question. The answer is the solar energy is produced with the help of the device shown in the photograph. Second, write short notes on the following energy resources. 1. Mineral oil and natural gas. The answer is it produces due to Earth's movement. Mineral oil is found under land surface and also below the ocean floor. In most of the mineral oil wells, reserves of natural gas are also found. Mineral oil reserves are limited in nature. It is in great demand. Its cost is very high. It is called black gold because it has a blackish color and it is costly. 2. Energy from waste material. Answer is waste is generated daily on a very large scale in big metropolitan cities. Waste disposal is a major problem in such places. This waste can be segregated to use the biotic component to generate gas. This gas can be then be used to generate power. In future, this may help to solve the problem of waste disposal in cities. The cities can be self-reliant in terms of their power requirement. Third, atomic energy. The answer is splitting of the atoms of minerals like uranium and thorium can be used for power generation. In this process, using very small generated on a very large scale. Only a few countries in the world like India, United States of America, Russia, France, Japan use atomic energy. Students, you can pause the video and note down the questions and answers and you can learn it. The fourth one, hydel power. The answer is it is process based energy resource. The power obtained from the kinetic energy of running water. Hydel power does not degradation of the environment. The water used in generating power can be still be used again. Bhakra Nangal in the Punjab and Koina in the Maharashtra are examples of this. In Maharashtra, the hydel power stations are at Koina, Bhatsa, Eldari and Zaikwadi. Fifth, solar energy. The answer is we get light and heat from the sun. The intensity of solar energy is the maximum in the torrid zone. In a country like India, which is in the torrid zone, there is a lot of scope for using this energy. Devices like cookers, lamps, heaters, vehicles can be run on the solar power. The generation of solar power depends on the intensity of sun rays and the duration of sunshine. There is a solar power plant at Sakri in Dhule district, Maharashtra. The third, use the map to answer the questions given below it. Students, you need to watch this map carefully and then you have to answer the questions. Let's start. 1. Name the states which have coal fields. Maharashtra, Madhya Pradesh, Chhattisgarh, Odisha, Jharkhand, West Bengal, Sikkim, Andhra Pradesh, Telangana, Tamil Nadu, Nikahom, Kalkot, Palna, Umarsar. The second one, name the mineral oil field in the Arabian Sea. Mumbai High, Third, name two states which have coal fields on a large scale. Jharkhand, Chhattisgarh. 4. Which mineral oil fields are located in northeast India? Makum, Digboi, Naharkatia, Nanmati and Lakhani. Fifth, the reserves of which mineral are found in the Godavari basin? The reserves of coal. 6. Which of the states have mineral reserves in the Godavari basin? The answer is Maharashtra, Madhya Pradesh, Telangana. Now, the question 4. What is substance based and process based energy resources? Give examples. The answer is 1. Substance based energy resources. Substance based energy resources are biotic. Availability of these resources are limited. The use of these resources lead to pollution. These resources cause damage to environment. For example, wood, coal, mineral oil, natural gas, waste matter, atoms. Second, process based energy resources. Process based energy resources are biotic. Availability of these resources do not lead to pollution. These resources are environment friendly. Example, the sun, wind, water, tides, heat from the earth's interior. Students, here we have completed the questions and answers of this chapter, that is energy resources. Students, if you have found it useful, then like it, share it to your friends, comment below the video and do not forget to subscribe and press the bell icon so that you will get current notification of new videos. Thank you and be connected.